Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, again, let's take a look at the gold market. Progress here is not really tremendous since our recent discussion, and that's understandable because market mostly expects the European Central Bank meeting and the non-farm payrolls release. Speaking on the non-farm payrolls, today Reuters have announced the poll of the investor that expected 200,000 new jobs created. So this probably will be the market expectation, 200,000. So depending on whether numbers will be greater or smaller, probably we could expect some reaction on these numbers. But on the gold market, currently the major headache is the existing of the 1038 target that hasn't been tested yet. And existing of this target makes fragile any possible up direction that gold could start. So usually when the market has some target, that major target that hasn't been completed for just some few, let's call it pips or wax as it stands on the gold market, it almost never, very rare, starts any other action, drastic action, before it will hit this target. And the reversal actions that could start before market will hit it, in most cases will fail. So that is just how markets works. And the fact that we should not doubt about this ABCD pattern, because it's really a major pattern. Take a look at the scale of this pattern; it's very large. So you could even see on the monthly, on the weekly chart, this pattern. This is not some small minor ABCD on the forward time frame chart. This is really big pattern. That's why we should not doubt the target, and this really could be significant. By the same reason as we said yesterday, we again should warn you about any long position. If you would like to take it, be very careful, because market really hasn't reached this target, and the upward direction could stop very fast. It hardly will be reliable until market will hit this target. Still, if we will take a look at the charts and patterns that market are forming right now on the forward time frame chart, yesterday market has hit the target that we have discussed. So you can see that was our destination point. We said the probably market should reach this area. This has happened. This is the crossing of the weekly pivot resistance one and this upward border of this channel. So market has reached it. But take a look, market right now is coiling just below it. We said that normally market here should form another pattern that will clarify and get the probable clue for a downward continuation. One of these patterns could become the butterfly. We have measured yesterday the extension here, and we find that, as you can see, 1618 stands at 1038 approximately. The target that stands the ABCD daily target. That's why appearing of the butterfly is logical here. But gold market is very cunning market, and maybe it will continue move lower. But before this will happen, it could create some reversal pattern to trap some traders and to put them on the wrong way. That's very common for the gold market. This very often happens here. That's why take a look what really could happen. Take a look at market is coiling below the resistance, and that usually means on possible breakout. If you'll take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that market here could form the head and shoulders pattern. So that could be the left shoulder with this butterfly. Okay. Market will reach it, it will be neckline, then could be formed another shoulder, right shoulder. And the butterfly that's now is forming here could lead market right to the neckline around 1080 area. By this action, market will complete the head pattern. So you can see very symmetrical. So here's also some mirror butterfly stance, as you can see, something of that sort. Anyway, when this head and shoulders pattern will be formed, gold could start to could turn to the second stage of this trap, and particularly speaking, gold could fail with these head and shoulders patterns. For example, market will reach this area on the good payroll numbers. Market will form right shoulder here, but particularly this moment it could fail and turn down to the next destination point on the daily chart. That's one of the possible scenarios. That's why if you would like to take the long position, be extra careful, trying to minimize your risk if you would like to trade it on the long side of the market, and be extra careful with dealing with this head and shoulders pattern, because existing of this target that hasn't been touched yet significantly increases the chance that this head and shoulders will fail. It will not give us the 100% probability this will happen. Sometimes indeed market could reverse without reaching the major target, but this is mostly the exception rather than some rule of thumb. The rule of thumb is vice versa. It's the market should hit the target first, and only after that shows reversal. That's why it's very your reliability on this pattern will demand from you the exceptional clarity. So you will need to be extra careful with dealing with these patterns, these reversal patterns that now are forming, because the chances that this pattern will fail really looks significant. That's our current view on the gold market. So let's keep watching how the situation will develop. It's really interesting, and it's really intriguing moment, thrilling moment, whether this will become another trap or maybe it's indeed something will change here.